The next generation and next level Ford Ranger Raptor has arrived. Built to dominate in the desert, master the mountains and rule everywhere in between, the second generation Ranger Raptor raises the off-road performance bar as a pickup built for true enthusiasts. Developed by Ford Performance, the next-gen Ranger Raptor is the ultimate performance derivative of the all-new Ford Ranger. With smarter technology controlling tougher, next-generation hardware, Ranger Raptor blends raw power with mechanical and technical precision to create the most advanced Ranger ever. "We've really focused on delivering a genuine performance truck with the next-gen Ranger Raptor," said Dave Byrne, Ford Performance Chief Program Engineer for Ranger Raptor. "It's significantly faster, looks incredible, is packed with new features, and it's the toughest Ranger we've ever made." European Ranger enthusiasts have special reason to celebrate, as the all-new Ranger Raptor is the first model from the next-gen Ranger lineup to be launched in Europe, with customer deliveries starting in the final quarter of 2022. The Raptor's imminent arrival in Europe is marked by an all-action stunt video, 3, which shows the vehicle leaping from a cargo plane in order to arrive on time for its European launch. More power to play. The biggest news for performance fans is the introduction of an all-new twin-turbo 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 petrol engine tuned by Ford Performance to produce a targeted 288 PS and 491 Nm of torque. The twin-turbo 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine boasts a compacted graphite iron cylinder block, which is around 75% stronger and up to 75% stiffer than the iron used in traditional castings. Ford Performance ensured the engine delivers immediate response to throttle inputs, and a race-bred anti-lag system similar to that first seen on the Ford GT road car and Focus ST enables rapid delivery of boost on demand. The new anti-lag system, available in Baja mode, keeps the turbocharger spinning for up to 3 seconds after the driver backs off the throttle, allowing for faster resumption of acceleration out of corners or through the gears when the driver steps back on the accelerator. In addition, the engine is programmed with an individual turbocharging boost profile for each of the advanced 10-speed automatic transmission's gears for optimized performance. The 3.0-liter engine brings a different dynamic to the Ranger Raptor that will satisfy even the most hardcore performance enthusiast, Byrne said. The acceleration and raw performance of the new powertrain leave you grinning from ear to ear. Ranger Raptor's new powertrain delivers effortless acceleration on gravel, dirt, mud and sand. To match this comprehensive performance, an electronically controlled active exhaust system amplifies the engine note in 4 selectable modes, enabling Ranger Raptor to adapt its vocal character. Drivers can choose their preferred engine sound by pressing a button on the steering wheel. Hardware for heavy hitters. The next-gen Ranger Raptor has a unique chassis when compared to the all-new Ranger. A series of Raptor-specific mounts and reinforcements for elements including the C-pillar, load box and spare wheel, as well as unique frames for the jounce bumper, shock tower and rear shock bracket, all combine to ensure next-gen Ranger Raptor can handle punishing off-road conditions. A high-performance off-roader like the Ranger Raptor needs the running gear to match, so Ford engineers completely redesigned the suspension. All-new tough yet lightweight aluminum upper and lower control arms, long travel front and rear suspension, and a refined What's-Link rear end have been designed to deliver more control across rough terrain at high speed. The suspension upgrades in the Ranger Raptor make the most of the new Fox-registered live valve dampers. The suspension adapts in real time to enable exceptional on-road body control, while absorbing corrugations and bigger ruts off-road with ease, ensuring maximum control and performance, Byrne said. The next-generation Fox-registered 2.5-inch live valve internal bypass shock absorbers feature cutting-edge control technology offering position-sensitive damping capability. These shock absorbers are the most sophisticated ever fitted to Ranger Raptor, and are filled with Teflon trademark-infused oil that reduces friction by around 50% compared to those on the outgoing vehicle. While the hardware is Fox-registered, the tuning and development work was carried out by Ford Performance using a mixture of computer-aided engineering and real-world testing. Everything from adjusting the spring rates to setting the ride height, valve tuning and honing the ride zones was performed to create the perfect balance between comfort, control, stability and traction on and off-road. Linked to Ranger Raptor's revised selectable drive modes, the live valve internal bypass system has been developed to provide better on-road comfort and off-road ride quality both at high and low speed. In addition to working with the drive modes, the system works in the background to prepare Next-Gen Ranger Raptor for different conditions. As the shocks compress, different zones within the bypass system give exactly the amount of support needed for the travel being used, and work in reverse as the shocks rebound back to full height. To provide protection against severe bottom-outs, race-proven Fox-registered bottom-out control provides maximum damping force in the last 25% of shock travel. Similarly, the system can stiffen the rear dampers to prevent Ranger Raptor from squatting under hard acceleration, improving vehicle stability. With the shocks providing the right amount of damping force at every position, Ranger Raptor stays planted on both the road and track. Ranger Raptor's ability to tackle rough terrain is further enhanced with some serious underbody protection. The front bash plate is almost double the size of the standard Next-Gen Ranger's unit and is made from 2.3 mm thick high-strength steel. This plate, combined with the engine undershield and transfer case shield, is designed to protect key components such as the radiator, steering system, front crossmember, engine sump, and front differential. Twin-rated tow hooks at the front and rear provide flexible recovery options while driving off-road. The design facilitates access to one of the tow hooks if the other is buried, as well as enabling the use of balance straps during snatch recoveries in deep sand or thick mud. All-terrain control. For the first time, Ranger Raptor gets an advanced full-time four-wheel drive system with an all-new electronically controlled on-demand 2-speed transfer case, combined with front and rear locking differentials, a valuable feature for hardcore off-road enthusiasts. While Ranger Raptor was inspired by desert racers, it's also a supremely capable overlanding vehicle. Out of the box, we've created an off-road vehicle that you don't need to modify to get you where you need to go and back again safely, Byrne said. Helping Next-Gen Ranger Raptor handle anything from smooth roads to mud and ruts, plus everything in between, are 7 selectable drive modes, 2 including the off-road-oriented Baja mode, which configures the vehicle's electronic systems for ultimate performance during high-speed off-roading. We really wanted Baja mode to be the ultimate expression of the high-speed off-road capability, Byrne said. It's a feature at the core of what the Ranger Raptor customer expects. Each selectable drive mode adjusts a number of elements from engine and transmission to ABS sensitivity and calibration, traction and stability controls, exhaust valve actuation, steering and throttle response. In addition, the gauges, vehicle information and color themes on the instrument cluster and center touchscreen change with the selected drive mode. Tough and athletic. Matching the enhanced capability of Ranger Raptor is an all-new look that builds on Next-Gen Ranger's bold, strong style. Flared wheel arches and C-clamp headlight designs emphasize the pickup's width, while bold Ford lettering on the grille and the tough separate bumper add more visual muscle. Everything designed for the Ranger Raptor is there for a reason, said Dave DeWitt, Ranger Raptor Exterior Design Manager. We're communicating what Raptor can do just by the way it looks. The Matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights push Ranger Raptor's lighting performance to new levels, featuring predictive curve lights, glare-free high beam and auto-dynamic leveling to deliver better visibility for Ranger Raptor drivers and other road users. The flared fenders cover muscular 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Raptor-exclusive performance all-terrain tires. Functional vents, aero features and tough, grippy cast aluminum side steps help enhance the look and functionality of the truck. At the rear, LED taillights provide a signature styling link to the front, while the precision gray rear bumper features an integrated step pad and tow bar that is tucked up high to avoid compromising the departure angle. Inside, the theme continues to emphasize Ranger Raptor's off-road performance and high-energy nature. The cabin features all-new, jet fighter-inspired sports seats in the front and rear to increase comfort and offer more support during high-speed cornering. The code orange accents on the instrument panel, trim and seats are mirrored by Ranger Raptor's ambient lighting, which bathes the interior in an amber glow. A premium leather sports heated steering wheel with thumb swells, on-center marking and cast magnesium paddle shifters completes the sporty feel. Occupants will also benefit from the latest digital technology. The high-tech cabin features a 12.4-inch all-digital cluster and 12-inch center touchscreen boasting Ford's new generation SYNC4A registered connectivity and entertainment system that delivers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto trademark compatibility at no extra cost. 5A 10-speaker B&O registered sound system 6 provides the soundtrack to your next adventure.